Hello, I'm Sunny. Welcome to our Pinyin series. Today we're talking about the rules of Pinyin tone marking. As we know, we have 4 tones, but when we write it, where we put these tones? So here have some rules for the tone marking. So if we have A, O, E, U, U, will follow this order. If you see have R, of course, put it on R. If no R, if have O, just O, and then But E, U is very special. If E and U together, no matter which one is on the second one, we will do the second one. For example, if like this, we will do here. If like this, we will do here. And U. And pay attention, if E and U with tone, this dot will disappear. But this dot will keep it. So it's a very special one. E with tone, no dot. U with tone, keep it. So now let's practice. For example, can you tell me? Put it where? Here. Ka, let's become harder. Kai, on A or on E? Yes, on A, E, U together. Kui is the first tone. Tell me, do U or do E? Yes, do E. Kui, E, U together. No matter which one is on the behind one, we do the behind one, okay? And this one, 6, we say liu, first tone. So tell me in E or in U? Yes, U, liu. And this one, yu. Okay. Yu here, okay? So this is how we mark the tone. Do you got it? If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. 再见。